Did you know that we have multiple farmers markets right here in Ramona, California? Today, we're going to tour Ramona Market at California Farm Life. Today we're here at California Farm Life where you can find beautiful flowers and a lot of pumpkins. And I want to introduce you to my good friend, Aka.
Hi guys, I run California Farm Life where we grow 1 million pounds of pumpkins a year and we're trying to grow 1 million stems of flowers this year. We also run Ramona Farm Life Market. So these are all of our vendors this month.
Let's go have a look. We have some beautiful flowers, lots of baked goods, beautiful soaps. Castile Soaps over here. Rustic Interiors has all of her beautiful products. Fresh baked bread by Bailey. We've got some beautiful clothing over here. More handmade soap. This is some beautiful goat soap on this side. Looks like we have some blankets and cups. We got some candles, jams, honey, Rice Krispie treats. A lot of baked goods, local honey, some bee pollen, pickles, lots of beautiful jewelry, locally grown mushrooms. Wow, some taxidermy. And you can even pet some bunnies. Aka, thank you so much for showing us around California Farm Life. I am so excited for everyone to come to the market, to your beautiful farm stand. And is there anything that maybe our regular viewers might not know about this beautiful farm?
Maybe you guys could come and pick your flowers. They're $1 a stem. And then we open the pumpkin patch to the public middle of September. So you can see all of the pumpkins. This barn will be full of pumpkins, like full.
So they can pick their own pumpkin, pick flowers, visit the farm stand.
Yep.
And I know I've been there before. You have a lot of little rides.
We have rides, we have goldfish, we have a maze, we have tractors, so many tractors, all the equipment. So it's a good time.
It's a good time. All right. And where can they find us?
We are on CaliforniaFarmLife.com and Facebook and Instagram, California Farm Life.
So make sure to follow her stories for all of the updates.
Thank you.